If you're ever given data that's in a different language or in a foreign language and you want to translate this into English or any language that you understand, and you don't want to manually translate each data point one by one, what you can do is use a function called Google Translate in Google Sheets. So how this works is, let's say I have a list of Japanese phrases that I want to translate into English. How I would do that is use a function called Google Translate, and then select the cell that you want to translate. So in this case, that's A2, and then select the source language. Since we're translating from Japanese, this will be JA. So this is just the first two characters of the language. And then our target language, since we want to translate into English, I'll type in EN. And then that's it, just hit enter. So as you can see, this first phrase here was translated into hello in English. So I can then just quickly drag this down to the rest of the data. And there you have it. We were able to translate this Japanese data into their English translations. So this is very useful if you have a data set that's in another language and you want to quickly translate it into English or any other language without having to manually translate it or ask someone's help to translate it for you. And how this works is Google Sheets is basically leveraging its Google Translate API in the backend to help you do all the hard work. So then in a few simple clicks, you can quickly translate anything you want. So I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe.